So I want to make this video showing how to install, I guess I call them Festoon lights in your yard. You know, looked online, there's not really much, there's some sort of high level guidelines, but just want to let you know how I went about it. So I've ordered the lights, I got a 48-foot length of lights. To find the optimal layout, I kind of laid them out on the floor, kind of looking at fence posts, you know, trying to find good anchor points, you know, somewhere on the front of my house that would look right. So that was the first step. The other thing is, you know, they have little hooks on them, and I think this wire is good enough to, you know, tie off, but they do recommend that you order a anchor kit. So I got this string set off of Amazon. It was like 30 bucks. The lights are 48, so that's where I got started. So I've got my suspension wire. One thing I have done is, you know, I have a center point up here. So instead of sort of trying to cut it to length first time, I sort of hang it from one center point, pull it through and feed it, and then I'll adjust it before I actually cut it off of the cable reel. So the suspension kit, so it comes, you know, I guess it's pretty good for like $20. Comes with lots of little kits. One thing that I just discovered is this really nice little turnbuckle clamp. Works great, but there's a couple of little ball bearings in here, so don't take it apart because it took me about 10 minutes to put it back together. So in terms of using the suspension kit, so it comes with a lot of little pieces, so I certainly recommend getting one of these kits. The one thing, there's this little turnbuckle, kind of word of warning, I opened this up and there's some small ball bearings in it, so be careful. One thing I have done is, you know, just setting out, if you have a center point, is, you know, pull the wire through the center point and then run it down so you can kind of balance the length before you actually cut it to length. So just a small tip. So that's it. So I've got the lights powered up and connected. So I've got a cable running up the tree, hitting the little turnbuckle that I'm going to tighten up shortly. And it runs and it goes up to the mid support on the wall, which seems to be holding up. And then I've got that running down to the other side. So that's it. I have other things, put the light bulbs in, little zip ties, and let's see how this works at night.